Ooh, almost done. Tears for salt, meat prepared sous vide, bacon. You're the most important part. Lobster Soul. It's amazing.
Ooh, I can cook that. I am ready to receive instruction from the realm of creation above me for the sandwich I am about to conceive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll start with rosemary and thyme. Then we can pop the steak into a baggie and vacuum seal before transferring to a water bath set at 135 degrees Fahrenheit to sous vide until it's tendy. Next, slice a loaf of bread lengthwise and use a torch to toast the inside until it's nice and crispy. Spread on cream cheese, both sides. Toss on pickles for our boy Gizmo, and add some dill. Don't forget to grab the bird from the window. Yeah, baby, now we're rolling. Woo! Then we can add diced boiled eggs, and the bird too. Toss on common cucumber, sliced Roma tomato, and sweet yellow onion, organic. Collect some tears for salt and sprinkle them on generously. Finally, we can assemble the sandwich with the meat prepared sous vide. Add some crispy bacon. And don't forget the most important part, lobster soul. Once everything's in place, close it up. Take a step back. Admire it. This sandwich is so good, it glows. Make sure you get a bite before Magic Man shows up and ruins everything. You know he would. This crispy sandwich is packed with melt-in-your-mouth steak, creamy notes of fresh herbs, and savory bacon that creates one incredible bite. The fresh lobster soul really pulls it all together. Now go forth and enjoy. And remember, sucking at something is the first step at being sort of good at something. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and food adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com, where I've been officially posting recipes for over a decade. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.